Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, also click the notification bell if you haven't yet, so every time I upload you receive a notification. And yeah guys, so today I will be filming how I curl my hair with extensions. I already have a video of how I curl my hair with a wand when I used to have black hair. I haven't filmed a video how I curl my hair having blonde. I'm so excited that the company Irresistible Me sent me some extensions to try out, and I already did a whole full video of me wearing them, of review, but today I will be using these extensions. These are the Irresistible Me hair extensions. These are in Royal Honey Blonde, and they are 24 inches long. So my hair is actually, you know, it's not that long, but it is long. But whenever I curl it, my hair tends to get shorter. I mean, obviously your hair is gonna, you know, shrink up a little bit. And I love wearing extensions when I curl my hair because it just gives it more volume and it looks more thick. So I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks now, and then after I put on the extensions, and then let's get into the video how I curl my hair with my extensions. I curl my hair using a wand. This is the one that not even on. This is the wand that I use to curl my hair. In my video of how I curl my hair, everybody was asking me where did I get my curling iron, and honestly, this is just a 1.5 inch barrel. So you could find these anywhere. Honestly, I recommend you getting them on Amazon. Go to Ulta, they have wands there, and you want them to last longer, a wand is the perfect tool to use to curl your hair. So before I do anything, I like to comb out my hair first, and I use this kind of comb. So it's like a I don't know what comb this is called, but I like this because it doesn't, you know, pull on my hair. It doesn't tug on my hair, and it gets every little tangle out. And I start combing from down to up just so I won't make knots going down. So I usually grab my hair like that, I comb it out, and then I work my way up, and then I comb through it. So I know a lot of people curl their hair differently when they use extensions. I personally like curling my hair before, and then I curl my extensions and then I install them. I know it's a little bit more time consuming, you guys, so if you are in a rush, or you know, you don't have the patience to do all of that with extensions, I like to do it. I like to curl my hair before I apply my extensions because I like to get every piece of hair, and then I like to curl my extensions and then apply them, just so every hair is curled. But now if you want to quick and easy curl your hair, you could install your extensions first, and then you could curl your hair with the extension. But I'm going to show you my way of how I curl my hair. First, I start off curling my hair, and I curl my hair in sections. So I do the bottom and then I work my way up. If you guys want to check out more in depth of how I curl my hair, I do have the video of how I curl my hair with a wand, more in depth, and show you how I really curl it. I'm just going to show you a little bit. I'm not going to show you curling my whole hair like in that video because I'm showing you how I curl my hair with extensions, and you know, it's time consuming. But this is my trick. So I use the hair wand, then I get like, I would say about an inch or a little bit more of hair. That was too much. So I get about that much hair in different areas going back and forth, because if you curl your hair going in one direction, all your curls are just gonna tighten up and mesh into one, and you don't want that to happen. You want your curls to have volume. Since we already put it on top, you're gonna go and grab the next piece and go on the bottom and curl your hair frontwards. So go like that. And since I don't like my hair to be that curled like the first piece that we curled, I'm just gonna hold it for about 5 seconds. For 5 seconds, like that. You see how that one came out a little bit more like a wave instead of being a curl. I freaking burned my neck, and now it looks like I have a freaking hickey. Now I can legit be like, oh, I burned my hair with a wand. I'm just kidding. But like I said, if y'all want to see more in depth of how I curl my hair, I already have a video about that, and I will have it linked down below. Okay, you see those? Now you can see it better because it's like the midsection, but this was curled inward, this was curled outwards, and then this one's curled inwards, so they're not gonna mesh up into one. You see, they're not gonna be able to mesh into one because you curl them in different directions. Sorry if I messed up earlier, but I meant to say you curl them in different directions. So like I said, you want to curl inward and then outward in each piece that you do. And if it's okay that you don't do each piece like that because you forget, I tend to forget too, but just try to do your hair all around like that, just so the hair will look it will have more of a balance. It will look more volume, and it will have more volume, and it won't just mesh up into one curl like I have said. Oh God, that hurts. Alright guys, so I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'll be back to curl the extensions. So now that I have curled both the sides, now I have just the top of my hair, and I'm gonna film that with you guys because, oh my God, look how red the burn looks. Oh my God, it just looks like a hickey. Oh my God, it's gonna leave me an ugly ass scar. And then I burned my finger too. My God, today's video is just fucking me up. I don't know if it's because it's 2 in the morning, but you know, I gotta grind, you know what I'm saying? I love girl, what? I love to make videos, you guys, so I stay up till literally 5 in the morning every day. If you have me on Twitter, you know I always retweet that I can't sleep. So you know what? I just made up my mind, and I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna record videos every time I can't sleep, because time's gonna go by, and usually I'm just laying down. I'm over here ranting like I give a shit. But usually I'm always just laying down on my phone till like 5 o'clock hits, and then I'm like finally sleepy and I go to sleep. So I was just like, why waste time? Do what you gotta do, you know? So like I said, now I just have the top to curl. So now I'm gonna curl my hair on the top. So again, I am going backwards. As you can see, I'm wrapping it around the wand and curling backwards. I'm like so scared to burn my hair, even my feet, I need to go to sleep already, shit. Yeah, see that. What a difference, huh? What a difference. I'm over here sweating. Oh my God, my asshole is sweating. My asshole is dripping. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe. No, I'm just kidding. What the fuck? Oh my God. Y'all see that? Now with my boyfriends, y'all get it? Boyfriends. They see that, they gonna be thinking I'm cheating. Like, you don't gotta know my business like that. No, I'm just kidding. That hole hurts though. That shit burns. Oh my god, guys, I remember when I accidentally burned a client, I felt so bad. Oh my god, I felt so bad. You know, that's like one of the worst things. Like, oh my god, like this bitch burned my hair. They're probably like, I ain't gonna pay you, because I know that shit is long lasting. Look at that, it keeps just getting darker and darker, and it's still burning. She was like, oh my god. I was like, ah. And she was like, ah. And I was like, ah. No, oh my god, it scared the shit out of me. I was like, I'm so sorry. So that's why I don't do hair anymore, guys. I did take some classes for hair, because I do makeup. I am a makeup artist or whatever. So I was like, you know what? Let me get into hair, because I used to go to, oh my god, I'm sweating. Hold on. Beauty school. I used to go to Palm Mitchell. But guys, I just felt like hair is not my thing, and it would never be my thing. Like, I don't have patience for hair, but I have patience for makeup. Like, literally, I have patience for that, but not for hair. It's just like, fuck, like, once you fuck somebody, once you mess somebody's hair, like, that's it. Like, that's their hair, you know what I'm saying? And no, sis, no ma'am, I couldn't do that anymore. I was like, no, you know what, I'm gonna just stick to makeup, stick to what I love doing, and that's that. I mean, I like doing my own hair, but I don't really do much to it. I literally just curl it or straighten it. Okay, I'm rambling. I know you guys hate when I talk too much. But who else am I gonna talk to? My daughters don't even know how to talk yet. Okay, now for my bangs, I do not curl them just like that. I curl them starting at like the very tip of my hair, and so I go maybe halfway of my hair and just basically curl the ends, because I don't like to start my curl from all the way up here, because it just looks weird. So you see how I just curl my ends, and then it just flows back to my other curls. Now I'm gonna do this side, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. Wait just a little bit. So I have already started curling my hair extensions. These are the I don't know how to say it. These are the Irresistible Me hair extensions in 24 inches Royal Honey. These match a little bit of my hair, not the whole head, because I have like a volley, but it's different color dimensions. I already started curling my hairs just to speed up the process. Now I'm gonna show you half the hair, how I curl it. Obviously the difference of curled and straightened. This is the single weft clip, so it has 4 clips, and this is individually, I don't know how to say that right, but individually, so by itself, and it's literally so thick, like you see that, guys, and I still have more hair to go. It's thick from top to bottom. It curls very, very well. I have also toned some of the extensions that I will show later in another video of how I tone my hair extensions, because obviously I kind of don't like that honey yellow in it. I like to tone it more of this like ashy blonde. So I did so I am gonna film another video of that, but I'm rambling. Let me just start showing you how I curl my extensions out, and then I curl the hair inwards and outwards like I do my hair, just so they won't bunch up together, and you see how they're really bouncy, shiny, and they're not meshing up into one curl. This is the extensions curled. I was gonna curl the rest of the extensions. Got a set of the clip-in extensions, and this is the biggest one that they also sell individually. This is the single weft fork clip. But honestly, you guys, this is like so much hair that I don't think I'm gonna be needing to curl the rest of them. So I'm just gonna show you how I install my hair extensions. And if maybe I see that I need to add more clips, I will curl them. So let me show you. I'm gonna section my hair, part my hair in the middle. So you guys, you see how that single weft, just one piece of just one clip of extensions made my hair longer and made it more volume, and it blends so well with my hair. Like, do you see that? I didn't even have to add all my wefts in. I literally just used that one single clip weft. So honestly, you guys, if you have fine hair, or you know, you just want to add length to your hair, I would really single weft clip, which they do sell this one individually, or you could buy it in a set, you know, just if you want more hair, and if you like that hair that looks really big and thick and voluminous, then obviously you will go for the clip on. But honest, for the clip-ins, and it comes with a lot. But honestly, you guys, look at this, look at that. It literally gave me more volume and it made my hair longer. Look at that, look how beautiful. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finger comb my hair just a little bit, because I don't really like the curls to be tight, and they weren't really that tight at all. But I'm just gonna finger comb just a little bit, because at the end of the day they're gonna end up falling anyway, so I don't really need to finger comb that much. So yeah, you guys, this is the completed look of how I curl my hair and how I install my extensions. Look at the difference. Oh my god. I'm gonna put the before and after so y'all could see. I would highly recommend the Irresistible Me extensions, you guys, because they're high quality, and you know, they have different lengths from short to all the way to freaking 28 inches, I believe. And they also have past 200 grams. I think they have 260 grams. So I would highly recommend for y'all guys to check out irresistibleme.com. There is a coupon code going around right now, so I will link that also down below. And if you guys want to see more in depth about these extensions, I do have a video that I will link down below, so you guys could also check that out. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want to see more hair tutorials, then just comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. And yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. Bye.